need to disable the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it in 2026. Whether you're trying to stop app downloads, troubleshoot a problem, or simply don't want anyone installing new apps, this quick guide will help you get it done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Android device. The quickest way is to swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear-shaped Settings icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you see the Apps section. Tap on it to view all the applications installed on your phone. Depending on your Android version or phone brand, this menu may be called Apps, Applications, or App Management. Now, look for Google Play Store in the list. If you can't find it right away, use the search option at the top of the screen and type Google Play Store. This will save you time. After opening the Play Store's information page, you'll find several options for managing the app. Locate the Disable button and tap it. Android will display a warning message explaining that disabling a built-in system app could affect the performance of other apps that rely on Google Play services. If you're sure you want to continue, tap Disable again to confirm. Within a few seconds, the Google Play Store will be turned off on your device. Keep in mind that while the Play Store is disabled, you won't be able to download new apps or install updates through Google's official app marketplace. The good news is that this isn't permanent. Whenever you want to use the Play Store again, simply return to the same settings page and tap Enable, and that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.